Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Excel SUM formula. Begin by typing equals SUM, then select a range like A1, A10 to add many cells at once. To add non-adjacent cells, separate references with commas such as A1, B2, C3. Press Enter to see the total. Use the Auto Sum button for quick totals and double-click the fill. Start by verifying there are no hidden rows or active filters that change your SUM results. If you need conditional totals, use SUMIFs to add only values that meet specific criteria, like category or date. When numbers appear as text, use value or multiply by 1 to convert them to numeric form so SUM includes them properly and your totals stay accurate. Combine SUM with functions like round to tidy totals or IFER to handle problematic cells without breaking your sheet. Convert ranges to tables to use structured references that expand automatically when you add new rows. Learn the Alt + = shortcut to insert Auto Sum instantly and save time when building reports or reconciling figures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.